How to record treadmill on Strava. In this video, I'll show you how you can record your treadmill activities to your Strava account. So to get started, go ahead and open your Strava account and then head over into the record button at the middle of your screen. And then in here, make sure to allow access to your current location and then make sure to select the workout sport under the sports section. So since treadmill is under the workout sport, you can simply select workout since there is no specific treadmill entry from the sports section. So simply select the workout sport, and then once you have selected that, you can go ahead and proceed on recording your entry for your treadmill. So simply click on this play button to start manually recording your treadmill entry. Now, if you have a smartwatch, you can simply connect your smartwatch to Strava to be able to track your heartbeat while doing your treadmill. And that is how you can basically record treadmill on Strava.